So to the students receiving awards today, congratulations. You pushed through challenges, hit goals, and showed everyone what dedication looks like. But whether you're being honored today or not, know this, that recognition comes in many forms. Sometimes it's public, like this one, with certificates and applause. But sometimes it's quiet. It's like the personal pride you're feeling after conquering something hard, or the resilience you build after when things don't go your way. That too is success. So you deserve this day. Bask in it, all of you, because you deserve it. So I know people like me who are guest speakers during these events are supposed to give advices. So I would like to lend to you my 3 key elements that led my path to success as a full-fledged lawyer. I have 3 P's, 3-letter P's. So let me first tackle the one. First is purpose. Purpose, layunin. Yung goal natin. Yung why. Know your purpose. It does not to be all-encompassing. Pwede rin, pagising mo sa umaga, set your purpose on that day. And as your journey entails, know your priorities. Know your desires. And let it radiate within you.